Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're aboard the Aviara 40. This is going to be a 40-foot cruiser. We'll have it down below, but this is going to be more of a day boat. Back here in the aft section of the boat, you will have a nice convertible seating section. You can have the bar stools up, lower them down, and then also convert this back section into rear lounger. On port and starboard, you have two wings that fold out to make the transom of this boat a very open feeling. You can access the water from all sides 180 degrees and have a center seating section. So moving forward into the cockpit, you'll notice that the gunnels are very tall, so every seat is going to be a deep seat. You feel very secure in this boat, and all the seats are going to be kind of leaning back, so you're going to fall into the seat, and it's a wonderful feel. Big fiberglass hardtop. You've got speakers in the tower. And then over here you will have a wonderful entertainment station. Every boat needs trash cans, so they've got you covered. Two fridges, nice little cooler box, your Kenyan electric grill, and then a TV that pops up out of here. Your access for that and controls are right down here. You will still have a sink on board. Sink with the little prep station and bottle holder. Like I mentioned earlier, this is a bow rider, so again you'll have grab handles here, nice big windshield, and a very deep bow. Plenty of U-shaped seating up here, nice little platform up top where your windlass anchor system is held, and you have receptacles for your sheer shade in the front, so you will have a shaded area that you can cover. Up you'll have a very wide, very big enough for 3 people or some more if you have some smaller kids. Very simple dash. You'll have your vessel view up here, main SIMRAD, and then your control panel for the whole boat that will control your lights, your sheer shade, and all of the other amenities on board. This is powered by Ilmor inboard, so you will have your Ilmor joystick. Last but not least is the cabin. So on the 40-foot Aviara, you will have a nice cabin space down here. When it comes time to entertain or eat, you do have a pop-up table with a backrest that will kind of make it a nice entertaining space. When it comes time to sleep, you can put this bed down. You will have a big TV, clips home entertainment bar, and a nice refrigerator. Wonderful access to your breaker panel right there. Bow filler cushions. And then last but not least, the head aboard the Aviara 40. This boat is for sale here at Lake Lanier, Cumming, Georgia. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. My number is in the link description below.